This is the number 2 ranked screwdrivers on Amazon. Same concept here. Now this isn't the chrome vanadium, but this is a satin finish chrome, fully hardened, it says here. So that's on the little thing that you see there. So right at the bottom there, it's going to say satin finished chrome, fully hardened. Well, what does that mean? That means the tips on all these are going to be hardened. And this one actually comes with a little bit of a bonus. So it's a 10 piece, but it's actually a 12. Very similar construction here. I'm looking at these. They're almost exactly the same size. So this one is a PH1. This is going to be a PH2 for Phillips there. You're getting this. Now, I didn't think I would use this. It's a keychain and 2 of these black screwdriver, almost like keys, but one is a Phillips and one is a straight, slotted. So I was like, wow, this is cool. So you can throw that in there and throw that on your keychain. So this is basically coming with a bonus set. So you've got another extra couple. Comes with this basic case, which honestly, it's going to pop through pretty quickly. A couple things I'm checking for is one, the magnetism on them. So they are magnetic. You can see that's picking that up. Okay, not bad. This is the largest size. This is a drywall screw. Now I can tell you, as far as hand feel goes, the back of this is super smooth. The sides are very grippy. And part of the reason they're actually more grippy than the other ones is, you see, this is not rounded. So this is going to have that, what is it, the hexagon shape. I thought I was going to actually like the rounded more. This one gives me something to grip against. Now the handle, it does not feel as big in the hand on this. And actually the stubby ones, all these feel a little bit narrower. So again, depending on the size of your hands, this little stubby one would, I think, be difficult to use. I'm gonna switch it out. So the little stubby one might be difficult to use just because the base is so much smaller. It's not like a baseball. Here we go. Yeah, even with the stubby one, I'm able to put up some pretty good pressure. I think I would get more pressure on the previous set than I would from this one. So that's one drawback, is I think I could get more pressure just on the handles on the previous set are a little different. I'm picking one of their smallest ones, and these things are, by the way, super duper light. Very, very easy to handle. You know what? This one, because the end is so small, it doesn't actually spin as easily. These are actually maybe a little bit too thin for my hands. So if you have smaller hands, maybe this would be a good set. I am making quick work of these screws though. And we have to check on the other one to check that cam out issue, just to see how they're gripping. But yeah, so far, small screws, I just did 4 screws that fast. You know, it definitely can move through them. Liking that. So I've got all 3 of the screws here picked up with just the magnet from the other one finally dropped. Yeah, so magnetism is good on these. And what's interesting to me on this one is the hardened nature. So, you know, if I don't put nearly any pressure, it's actually working really well. This is engaged really well. So the tips on these working really, really well. So this one is the Artisan version.